Welcome back. As a part of the conceptual class, we understood how do we write an RDD into a file. Let us see hands-on example for that. If you have not created the words RDD, please go ahead and create by using a local collection. So my collection, then creating an RDD by using a Spark context and parallelizing that. Now that I already have one RDD called words RDD, let me go ahead and write this RDD into a file. All I will do here is very simple. I'll say words dot save as text file and I'll give the path. I'll give a path where I have pwd. Okay, we have. Let me give this path and I'll say RDD to file. Let me go ahead and execute this in PySpark. Done. Let us go ahead and check this in our RDD folder. You can see there is a RDD to file directory. Within that, we have two files. Any reason why we have two files? That is because while creating an RDD, we have specified we need two partitions. If I go and check that here, you can see there are two partitions. Let us create an RDD with 5 partitions and see how many files will be created when we write that RDD with 5 partitions into a file. What I will do here is, let me go ahead and say words, come down here. Say words 1 and I'll make it as a 5. So I created an RDD with 5 partitions. Let me check the number of partitions here. Words 1. There are 5 partitions here. Let me go ahead and change this statement, words 1 and RDD to file with 5 partitions. You know, this is a long name. I'm just giving that name so that you can understand. So let me go ahead and put this here. Done. Let us go and check here. You see, RDD to file with 5 partitions is created. So I will say, see here, there are 5 files created here. You can see this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. There are 5 files created. This is a success message. Wonderful, isn't it? So we got to know how to write an RDD into a file. As we have discussed as a part of the theory, what will exactly happen is when you write an RDD into a file, each partition is written into a file. We have seen that. Thank you. You have a wonderful time.